Hi there, this is John Barton from JB Cases. Yesterday I showed you this case here that we modified. We put a pocket on the back, as you can see here, put an extra pocket. But the cool part of this case is that the interior is modified to be a 4x4. So I'm not sure if you guys can really see that in there. Let me see if I can get that in there for you. There we go. So this is basically set into 4 compartments in here, and the idea is that the customer wants to be able to put exactly 1 butt and 1 shaft in each of those compartments, and he wants to do it this way. He uses the sleeves here, so he's going to have the blue sleeves, I'm guessing. It could be blue or red, but it's going to be one like this. We're going to do this on camera here so it's easy to see. So each one goes in 1 compartment like this. We have the butt and the shaft. So that's 1. Then he can decide, it's easy for him to know which one he wants to take out. If he wants to even go further color coding, at some point he could even take and decide to do each pair with a different color. And I'm not putting those all the way down yet. But I just wanted to emphasize here that this is why we do custom. So if you say to us, it's also indicative of the UltraPad interior itself can be customized any way you want it. So here we'll finish off here. 2 more cues. And you'll see that this is going to provide for the customer, it's going to provide quite a bit of security in here, because not only does he have the padding, but you also have the extra fabric in here as well in each of these. Once that all gets trained in there, and if he wants to, he can also cut this off at the bottom and sew them up to exactly the height that he needs. We always add a little bit of extra in there. We add extra when we put this in. So there's 4. Now this is looking pretty messy here, but it's going to all make sense in just a moment. Alrighty. So this is all of the cues put in and pushed down. The case is also longer. It's got extra height. It was made 2 inches longer than normal so that the customer could put a longer cue in, also put a cue ball or something in. So basically now you have all of these right here. So all he has to do when he wants to get in there is just reach in and pull out the pair that he wants to get out. And it's that simple right there. It's easy enough to pull it out, easy to put it back in, no problem. And then all of this right here, it just simply fold it over like that and put it in, and you've got a lot of nice extra padding right there, extra cushion right in the top. So it looks something like that right there at the top. And no problem. And then if you want to do the cue ball, this has got an extra ball holder right here for a ball, so stuff that in there, and when that comes down in there, it's also padded, keeps everything away from that, and there you go. That's the case right there. That's what it would look like, all nice and full, no problem. Again, got the extra pocket on the back. All designed just the way that the customer wants it. So remember, when we talk about custom, we really mean it. We'll do it just the way you want it, or we'll try to. So that's a 4x4 case with 4 compartments and extra bags in there to put the cues in each compartment just as the customer wants to do it. And if they don't want to use it that way, you know, then the customer can also decide if he wants to take out a bag, get extra shafts in there. He could just put a cue and put a shaft in beside it. Basically, it's really highly configurable as to how he would use it. So there you go. Thank you for watching. That's another edition of Is It Really Custom by John Barton. Thank you.